how to connect Logitech G29 to PS5 step by step. So the first thing you're going to have to do is, since you'll be getting a power adapter for the G29, of course, you're going to have to plug it into a wall socket to make sure it has power, of course. Next, attach the pedals to the wheel base, but it's pretty much expected that you've already finished most of these. So the next step is to pretty much just plug in the USB into the PS5. So insert the G29's USB-A cable into the USB-A port on the front or back of your PS5. So the PS5 should automatically detect the wheel. Then you should be able to see a little switch right above here of the wheel. It should somehow look a bit something like this, where there's a switch. So if it's on the right side, then that would mean it's on the PS mode. So you can set that mode to the PS5, and so you can finally set the mode to PS5. Finally, you can turn on the PS5, of course, by turning on the console and letting the G29 go through its calibration. It's gonna pretty much spin around, but that's the PS5 calibrating the wheel. But anyways, that's pretty much how you connect your G29 to your PS5. So if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.